TeepTrak helps you kill the clipboard. Discover how to transition to a paperless shop floor with real-time shift reports that your teams actually use. Paper reports are often late, incomplete, or inaccurate. By the time they are processed, the data is stale. Effective decision-making requires live, reliable data. Real-time reporting transforms your workflow. It enables automatic data capture as events occur, ensures one version of the truth, and allows teams to address issues immediately. Free your teams to focus on improvement. By automating administrative logging, you allow supervisors and operators to spend their time solving problems rather than filling out forms. The results speak for themselves. At Hutchinson, implementing real-time data helped increase OEE from 47% to 72% using the same machines and the same people. It is time to put the clipboard down. Give your team the advantage of live, trusted numbers. Book a demo today at teeptrak.com/demo and subscribe for weekly performance insights.